Well, we've just arrived on the island of Koh Rong and it took 8 hours to get here, all the way down to Phnom Penh. We had 5 hours in the car, a couple of hours at the ferry port and hopping on a boat across, but it was definitely worth it. We've just got to the room now, it's just 4:30. It was worth every minute of coming down here. It's well worth the journey. Take a look at this. It's the White Beach Bungalows we're stopping on, which is right on the beach. We haven't got a sunset out here tonight. The sunset's the other side of the island, but we've got got a barbecue on the beach coming up in a little while. Right, you happy now you've just changed your trousers? Go here. Okay. What do you think? What do you think of that beach? Good morning to our first full day in Koh Rong. It's just gone 6:30 in the morning and sun's just coming up. Headed down onto the beach and I've gone for a dip in the sea. I think I'm the first one in this morning. There's nobody else in the sea. There's nobody else on the beach hardly, apart from a few fellas so far this morning. So it looks like it's going to be another great day today. Accommodation's behind us there in the White Beach Bungalows. Linda's still asleep. But I'll go and get her up in a minute. We'll go and grab some breakfast. I think we've got a few jobs to do this morning. We're going to head to try and book a boat trip for tomorrow. Try and get some diving booked as well, and then come back, spend a bit of time on the beach, a bit more time in the sea, and then maybe check out another beach later on this afternoon. But as for this, what better way to wake up on a morning? Can't beat it. So come on then, answer the question. The big dilemma. The sand.
It's white.
Is it whiter than Boracay?
Yes.
I think so as well. I didn't think we'd ever say that, but the sand is whiter than Boracay. And this isn't supposed to be the best beach on the island. But at the minute, it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it?
Yep.
Let's go and explore the town and see if we can book this trip for tomorrow.
Nice pub.
You said you wanted a drink. I said the Sky Bar. Where on earth did you think the Sky Bar was?
In the sky.
That's where we are. You can't expect to find the Sky Bar on the pier, can you? Is it worth the view?
Yeah.
Not really. There we can see trees and sea. Prefer the beach. Okay, let's get a drink. Okay, so mango shake done. The boat trip for tomorrow is booked, and we've also got diving booked for Sunday. So a very productive morning. Well, when you finally got out of bed, that was. So we're going to head back now, and I'm going to head back into the sea for the second time today. And you joining me this time, or are you going back to bed?
I'm going to have a relax on the beach.
Right. I think I might join you. Okay, so that's our relaxation time done. Back on to doing a bit of trekking. We're going to head across to 4K Beach now, which is supposed to be one of the nicest beaches on the island, even better than what we've just come off. So let's go and see what this is like. Our initial thoughts just walking across here now, as you can see, is a beach. I know I keep saying it, but the sand is just stunning again. It looks like a tide's out. And it looks like, just does look like a paradise island, doesn't it? Let's take a look at this. This beach is just absolutely stunning. I just can't believe there's been no developments on it all along the front of here. It won't be long, will it?
No, it won't be long.
It's just too stunning a beach for them not to build hotels along the front. I know the Chinese are building on the mainland. Let's hope they don't come and just spoil this, because it's absolutely gorgeous, isn't it? Does it remind you anywhere with a beach? With a gorgeous long beach that there's no development on. As Nakpan. Yeah? I think it's better than Nakpan. Yeah. Definitely.
I don't deny there's some strange evolutionary process going on, but mankind won't be destroyed. The fact that you and I are working here